Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can change your pet with image character with CapCut PC. So select your photo you want to edit and go to effect and select body effect. Scroll down until you find the image again. So you can select the image character you like and the same with the photo. Right. For example, I'm going to select this image character, which is name or just download it and apply it to all the clip. Just so this is the final effect you have on your video. You can adjust for the duration. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.